When your little angel trusts you, you will have no problems. Keep watching.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Ms. Magic, back with another hair video. Today, my little tender-headed client is back in the chair and she has brought me a big surprise. She is no longer, well, technically tender-headed. When we first did her hair, I had to be very gentle, very loving. I did my tender-head routine. I showed you guys if you want to see that video. But first, before we get started with this, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. And if you like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted when I do post another video. So like I was saying, one of the big issues when you're dealing with a tender-headed client or child is trust. And when they trust you, they kind of ease up. So she's tender-headed, but not tender-headed. If that makes sense, guys, let me know in the comment section if you know what I'm talking about. But this was way easier than last time. So she's been detangled. So what I'm doing now is just twisting her hair up in sections so that I can blow dry it easily, because she still has a little bit like but I mean, it's night and day from the first time I did her hair, honestly. And she is for a type 4 texture. So as you see, we are going to do this hairstyle with much ease. So once I section her hair into about 6 or 7 sections, we're going to get started. So guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy this video.
Never got invited to any parties. I just sit out from the in crowd and stay within my boundaries. I'd hang on my friends and it was great. We'd go out but not that late. And I really love it, never want to change. But sometimes I can't help but think, am I missing out on something I don't have? Cause I don't wanna give up being good to be bad. On the life of the average teenage dog, one who looks like on the outside that she just has it all. I know that it doesn't matter in the end, but sometimes I feel I'm on the outside looking in. I'm happy where I'm at, so I won't get too vocal. But sometimes I wonder what it's like to be a little bit more social. Trying to complain, I'm just a little curious, cause I see the picture, see the post, reckless me, not even close. Cause why would I be something that I'm not? I should be happy with the friends I've got, but these thoughts still come to mind. And I can't help but wondering sometimes, am I missing out on something I don't have? Cause I don't wanna give up being good to be bad. I dance, but I'd stay low. Kids all raising cups while I'm in the back, staring at my phone. And I know that it doesn't matter in the end, but sometimes I feel I'm on the all the stress, all this constant he said, she saidness. Pressure of society, won't let it get to me. Not defined by popularity. I'll decide who I'll be. To be a little bit more social. It's a syndicate at night, blasting playpen in the daytime. Goosebumps rise at 9 and settle back down at sunrise. Running from pub to club like bloodhounds, from 10 till 6 a.m. and no one knows how to stop them. Hold the drinks out one and help the one who's gone. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Let's get girly. Let's get girly. With a hangover till 10 p.m. I'll say I'll never go again. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Let's get girly. Let's get girly.
Baby, baby, you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times were cherished, no comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls chicks coming at me, but none of these girls can beat you. Paris, make sometimes we'll cherish. Baby, that no comparing to you.
All right, superstars, so this is the final look. I want to thank you guys for watching. And when I tell you this young lady did a total 360, she did. I've got little girls who I've done 30 times and they still very tender-headed. So I think this one just needed my trust and support to be confident to sit in my chair, and now she's much better. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Hit that notification bell because I post videos weekly, 3, 4, 5, however many videos I want to post. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.